Do you guys need help? I have to go get the vaccine again. Can I leave? Thank you. My phone. Go to the hospital now. Okay, I don't know why. Like, it was just a cough. I don't have COVID or anything. Anyways. I can't believe this happened.